So
Let's stick with the same.
yeah, we're gonna go with this, guys. Okay. So we have, now when we get here, it's not necessary, but we like to show them expanded form on the right side of the paper when they get to multiplication, okay? So this problem is 1,137 times 3. Okay, so that's on the left side of the paper. On the right side of the paper, we teach them expanded form. So, how many units or ones are there in the number 1,137?
7.
7. How many tens are there in 3 tens, which also is 30?
Oh, okay.
3 tens or 30. 100. 100. Okay? And 1,000.
Was
Okay.
this in your training or is this
Yeah.
something you add in?
I think it was only in my training for large bead frame, but we figured it's not that hard of a concept. They could probably do it at this time.
Okay, I haven't seen
Okay?
this.
So we just made this and especially now because their answer on the test could be 1,300 whatever, but it needs to see the parentheses and how could we write this? What are all the possible ways to do this?
Yeah.
So, we just need to show them all the
Reinforcing
possible
it.
ways to do this. And you know what? If they don't grasp it this first time, that's okay, because they're going to see it again in large bead frame. They're going to keep seeing it, but we want to show them.
Okay.
So we're going to multiply all these numbers times 3. We're going to build them 3 times. Okay? All right. I know when we taught this before, we built the whole addend. We are not going to do that this time. We're going to build it by each place value. Okay? So we're going to build the number 7 3 times. Okay? Okay. And maybe they know 3 times 7. Let them.
Okay, so now is this like the standard algorithm where you're gonna go like this one,
Yes.
this one? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. So we're doing 7 times 3.
Yeah.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 time. We can show them either like this or we can tally it. 1 time. 1, 2, 3. Exchange. 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 times. 7 times 2 is 14. Do you see 14 here? 7 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another exchange. And 7. That's 3 times. 3 times 7 is 21. So if they can do this, it's cool. But if they need to keep track of how many times, they can just write little tick marks or dots or whatever works for them, Okay. Now we're going to build 3 tens 3 times. Okay? 3 tens 3 times. 1 time. 2 times. 1, 2 with an exchange. 3 times. 4 3 times. Okay? Now we're going to build the number 100 3 times. 3. They can usually do this okay, they don't have to, yeah. 3, we're going to build the number 1,000 3 times. 2, 3. Okay. So 1,137 times 3 equals 3,411.
Yeah, I know.
That was cool.
You want the small bead frame next?
I do.
Yeah.
That's your next tattoo? After the checkerboard?
Montessori math materials are great.
Okay,
So
so
great.
then they would record it, and then I would show them the first one on the first card, and then, okay, I'm gonna go check on everybody else, and I'll come back and see if you're okay.
They're multiplying and adding at the same time, like they're.
Because that's what
Yeah,
you're doing.
it's a lot,
Yeah,
and this, when they start the small bead frame, is a really great time to reinforce. When I am in a lesson, you will not come and talk to me. And the second you see a kid coming, I'm like, Because if I look away from this, especially large bead frame, I unfortunately am like, hey friend, we gotta start all over. I am so sorry about that. And
Yeah.
so like, it's a really good, and have the conversation with the kids. Like, if I go, I'm not being rude to you. I'm focusing on this child. So my symbol in the room for I cannot talk to you right now is, and they get it, right? Like,
I blocked eye
protect,
contact.
yeah, protect the lesson, protect it. We saw in an
I'm gonna
upper,
try that with kids.
I don't see you.
we saw in an upper L class, Miss Tielsa, right across the room, she was giving a lesson to 4th graders, and it was like the whole 4th grade. And she had a little paper, bright yellow, that said,